Today we will be cooking turon or banana lumpia. It's a Filipino dish. Welcome to Pinoy TNS Journey USA. Today we'll be cooking turon, or we call it the banana lumpia. So all we need today for our ingredients is we have the banana or the plantain, we have the cooking oil, we have the jackfruit or langka, and we have the brown sugar, and I will mix it with the powder white sugar, and also we have the wrapper. Let's start. Okay, so we have all the ingredients ready. Let's make turon or banana lumpia. So we have the wrapper here. All we have to do is grab one slice of banana, dip it to the sugar that we mixed with the brown and white sugar. Put it over here in the middle. Get one piece of jackfruit and then fold it right here in the middle. One roll, fold on the side, on the other side, and then roll it like this. And you can put the egg white. There you go. One more time. Fold it. Fold, roll once, fold on the side, both sides, and then fold it like this. There you go. That should be good enough. Have the turon ready. Let's start the cooking. So we need a bottle of cooking oil. By the way, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Since now our turon or banana lumpia is ready, we'll just have to do is heat a pan. We'll just have to be generous with cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, we can put the turon like normal. This is the simplest way to cook the turon, because all you have to do is, wait until it's going to be golden brown. So once it's golden brown, on the other side you have to flip it. This is the easiest way to cook the turon, and if you want it simple as like that, you don't have to put more sugar on it. But if you want it like with a glaze on it, you can actually put some the sugar that we have left over earlier, like pouring it over here, and it's gonna melt on the oil, the sugar. That is when you want to glaze it. And once it absorbs the sugar coating to the wrapper of Turon, that's when you have to flip it. And do it in the same way to the other side. So here's our finished product, Turon or Banana Lumpia. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe to my channel, Pinoy Tina's Journey. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next cooking video.